Please don't be scared. It is a little bit scary, actually. Oh, wow. Let's see if you can manage to see what is coming there. Finally, Amaury will have his big boy tools. Supervisor Molly. Molly Moo, are you scared, my baby? Nothing wrong is happening. It is pretty dark. Well, actually, it's, I don't know, 7:15, maybe? So it's not that early in the morning, you know? Oh, la la. And as usual, it's very useful that our street here, we have barely maybe 5-6 neighbors. So there's not much traffic whatsoever.
I don't want to jinx it, but we're so lucky we live on such a quiet road.
Yeah.
Oh wow, we've got lights on everything. Let's get cracking straight away.
Oh my gosh, that must feel so like
100%. 100, yeah.
How happy are you?
Very happy.
This is only a rental. You need to get it back. When
We have to give it back. True, we have to give it back.
We have 2 days.
We have 2 days to have some fun, but not just fun, because we are working at the end of the day. We're going to scrape out the floor in the garage so we can put a pad in it, but there's a lot in there, so it makes life much easier with the digger and the dumper. We've got a big heap on the concrete pad that we found that we didn't realize was there till not so long ago. Scrape all of that out. There's a few tree stumps that I'd love to take out, and also, if we have time, do a little bit of ditching. So lots
Happy
to do.
man.
Lots to do.
Look at these beauties.
I can't believe he's reversing.
He's going to reverse all the way down to the main road. Yes.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
It's pretty straight, so it's fine.
Merci! What happened to my voice just there?
Oh la la.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I can't believe he's reversing onto the main road.
Yeah. Why not? C'est la France rurale.
Rural.
Rurale.
Charming man, lovely gear. I think first things first, coffee.
Yes.
Okay.
Amaury is screaming over there because he said that they have cemented around the stones. Let's see. And probably they did that so the stones were not going anywhere else.
That's brilliant. No wonder they're not budging.
Yeah, okay, I will leave him with that fun stuff there with his big toys. And Molly and I, that she doesn't know yet, she's very comfortable there. She doesn't know that we are going in an exploration to pick up some Can I say that? It is manure time. Good girl. Such a good girl. This is not a pretty sight, but one must do with one must do, right? I think someone was right when they say that I should do this with when it's frozen, but it's not now. It is not frozen anymore. There we are. Good thing it doesn't smell. Good. I will be picky because we have so much here, so I will go for the good ones. And the rest can be around to fertilize this grass that the cows are going to be eating later. I can imagine that this frozen, it will be a little bit better to pick up. But hey, it was very, very cold. And now it's a lovely sunny day. It's a little bit muddy. I think I will need to change my boots. Okie dokie, let's park that there. I think for now these don't hold up there. We have some little visitors. We have moles. We have moles in some points in the garden and also here. Let me show you. Okay, you see? That's small, and there's a massive there too. I'm going to start with this side, which is the side without moles. Anyway, okay, I will go for something to keep this lid open and start taking out those ones. And yeah. Just easy to work like that. I'm going to put a few centimeters of branches first. And look at this, I feel like I have the best starter for the compost here with little branches. I will need many, so I will bring the little cutter. Yeah, I need to cut this. And that feels like a good start. Let's see how much I can do today. Little Robin is back. Can you see him? Oh, chiquitito. Oh, it's good that he's there. It's making me company now. Are you surprised as well, my love? Yes? Oh, Molly. Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. Let's put you like that so people can see you better. Don't leave me, mommy. Don't leave me. Don't go to work. We have to go and do things, Molly. We cannot be all supervising like you. Yeah? Yes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, look at this. How much love. Okay, let's get practical, because this is not being so practical, right? I will be doing all my steps in the morning, which is not a bad thing. But what about if we drop the poo on the side, and then with the wheelbarrow we pick up all the branches and bring them in one go? I think that can work. That be there, that be there. Let's put these on the side, because after all, it's manure. We will pick up what we need, and you know what? We have lots more in La Grande Ouche, in the piece of land next door. Now we can go for branches. Okay, that is lovely. We do have a good 10-50 centimeters of little branches. Yeah, they will be accommodating. They will be arranging themselves in a bit. We are going to bring some wood chips and as well some straw, and that is going to be the bottom layer. I can see the little stones that Amaury is moving all around, and it probably because besides this concrete pad that probably came later, everything was with stone. So I think we will have some fun picking up some stones from there. Let's see inside the big barn if we have some straw. Should be around, no? That's the wood waiting to dry. That's the wood from our trees. And then we have some tiles. There will be more tiles later. Those are the nice ones, and these are the ones that I will be using for planting things, you know, as a first step. But now here, the best part is to find which one of these, in between these ones, are not covered in spider webs, cobwebs. You see, cobwebs everywhere, but over here. These are the ones that we always used to cross. So we can jump in. There we are. I will show you again because we haven't seen inside for a while, right? We have more future planters, perhaps. At least that we are going to have a proper farm. We are not going to be feeding animals on those. So quite a few steps here. And I know there is a lot of straw up there, but as well, I knew it. I love this. Look at that. There's a lot of straw there. And this is the other side of the entrance. But yeah, we do have enough straw for a few layers of a lovely compost bins. Just here outside we have all this wood that we are going to keep. I'm not 100% sure if they are the good pieces and I'm doing good pieces, or if this is for dry and burn. I have to ask my husband. But yeah, it's getting clearer. Look at that. Supervisor Molly, all is fine? We will keep on working here and we'll show you the rest on the next episode. Thank you for watching and all your messages, the likes, the hypes. See you on Wednesday.